Welcome to the Black and Gold channel. I'm Dr. Perry Kyles. I was watching a podcast the other day. The subject matter was regarding Black Americans. I heard one of the Black Americans make a disparaging comment about Kemet. I thought to myself, if there's anybody who should be honoring Kemet, it's Black Americans. And I'm going to explain why. Black Americans honor Blackness more fiercely than any other people on the earth. Kemet was the first nation and the first people to do so. Our Black pride didn't come from textbooks. It came from surviving hundreds of years of slavery, Jim Crow, second, third-class citizenship, and still walking with our heads high. In the modern era, only Black Americans built a culture where Blackness is central. Not Africans, not Caribbeans, not Afro-Latinos, not even the nations and the peoples and tribes on continental Africa today. That is exactly why Kemet should matter to us, if nobody else. Kemet didn't run from Blackness. Kemet honored Blackness. And Kemet, black skin was divine. The charcoal hieroglyph, Kem, meant sacred Blackness, and it's in their name. The gods and kings were painted dark on their walls. Their southern heartland in Africa, Ta Seti, was celebrated. Kemet celebrated Blackness instead of hiding it. For Black Americans, Kemet is the only historical mirror. Kemet reflects the dignity that we truly feel. The Kemetic worldview lives through us, and they left behind receipts, proof that Black brilliance and Black governance existed long before the colonizers tried to rewrite our history. Kemet celebrated masculine and feminine energy, and both men and women served to uplift the nation and protect the people. So honoring Kemet is not nostalgia. It's a cultural realignment. Black Americans lead the global conversation about Black value. We shaped the music, we shaped the language, we freed the Congo, we freed South Africa, and we continue to pave a way for phenotypically Black immigrants to America, regardless if they appreciate it or not. So honoring Kemet roots pro-Black influence in a deeper lineage, one older than America itself, one that tells the world we've been great long before Europe came into civilization. Thank you for watching. You're with Dr. Perry Kyles. Subscribe to this channel.